How to enter IP PIN on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. To enter IP PIN on TurboTax, first of all, open up TurboTax. Make sure to log into your account. Now open your return. Click on the search bar and type IP PIN. Now select the Jump to IP PIN link. On the Identity Protection PIN screen, answer yes. Now enter all the relevant information. Your IP PIN validates you as your Social Security number's true owner and prevents future tax fraud. If you want to add or remove your 6-digit IP PIN, then on the Identity Protection PIN screen, you want to answer yes, then select Add and enter your IP PIN in the space provided. If you need to remove the IP PIN, select the trash icon. Now select Continue, then select Done. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.